Kuri na kamwene ni kuri mamilioni ma Akenya aria marikitie university na thukuru cia college na maretha mawira thutha wa mbunge ya bururi gucenjia watho wa Wandikani na kugiria andikani gwitia certificates kuuma kuri honge cia thirikari ta DCI, HELB, EACC udumwe na CRB niguo mundu andikwo wira.
An employer shall no longer perceive you as a criminal before you apply for a job. And the solution to all these bottlenecks is that an employer will no longer ask you for any such documents as KRA, DCI, HELB, CRB, EACC until or unless an offer of employment is in the offing.
Itanya ria gucenjia watho uyu ria thugundirwo na gutemanio bunge-ini ya bururi ni mũmbunge wa Kuhuthia Gideon Ketel riu agicokeria ngatho a bunge ni kumunyita mbaru na kuhonokia mbeũ njithi aria matari na mawira.
Job seeking shouldn't be an adventure where you must prove that you are not a criminal or haven't engaged in any crime in the past. This country is not graduating criminals from universities and colleges every year.
All these papers cost money. And all these papers, again, is an avenue for more corruption. And as we know very well today, corruption in the employment cycles have increased so much.
How many times do we see many young people, many young generation get to the point where they can't even apply for the job?
Keter oigite honge cia thirikari cikoretwo cikiongania muigana wa ciringi milioni 750 oro mwaka marihini ma kuheana certificate ici kuma kuri aria maretha mawira.
From the research done by the Parliamentary Budget Office, this institution have been collecting over 750 million every year from job seekers. This is a clear indication that they have been milking job seekers, most of them graduates, for years, yet there is no single cent that has been directly sent back to youth empowerment programs.
Ikinya riri ria bunge ni ritugiritio ni Akenya makiuga ni rikumaninira menyamariko iria makoretwo makigerera na muno mawabici-ini ma thirikari.
Kama umeenda interview, unataka job, sidhani kitu kama good conduct inafaa kuwa requirement. Hiyo labda wakwambie like 2 months ama 3 months tutahitaji good conduct.
Vijana wanahangaika kwa hii country yetu. So hiyo kitu wamefanya, it's a plus for the youth. So it's now hao apply, wakitoka wakimaliza shule wafanya application, it's free, it's a plus for them.
I had to pay for the certificate, the CRB certificate. That one was costing me 2,200. I had a penalty with KRA. That was 2,000.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ndari makiria ma andu milioni 2.5 nio matari na mawira thiini wa mieri ina.
Those who will not support this bill will say no, that we risk having criminals and all sorts of adverbs and verbs against these new people who are being employed. But it should be a very easy process so that it's not interfering with the rights to access the employment after all.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Getao wa Wajiko.